Ayun na yung sundo mo.
Tama ka muna. Di ba kumanto?
Gusto mo ba, Ana? Gusto mo ba magkanto? Apo. Ay, sige. Gusto niya mag-kondo. Binidyo mo sa You like to go to Kondo? What will you do there? What will you do there? You want to swim? Opo, and then drink milk. Drink milk and then swim. What else? Do you want to play? Oo, sa slide ka. So, magsa-slide ka sa Kondo. What else? Swing? Swing and slide and run and play. You want to watch video? Huh? You want to watch Barney? Ay, oo daw. She wants to watch Barney.
Thanks for the memories.
What else? What else? Nagpapa-cute siya sa akin para isama ko siya sa McDo. Na? Huh? You want to go to McDo? Where? Where do you want to go? I know where you want to go. You want to go to Dr. Roslyn. Yes? Yes? Yes, you want to go to doctor? Not so